Ma'am, I'm finished.
Very good, Maroita. Next is 17. 17. Good, Ma, Tarnika. Good. 17. Good, Ma, Ashni. Lakshana, right number 17. Good, Vivan. Good. Pranita, right number 17. Karthikeyan.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Yeah, very good, Maroita.
Thanks.
17. Which is 17? What number you have written, Ma Pranita? 1, 7, 17. Okay? Okay, now erase it. Good. Erase.
Ma'am.
Yeah, good, Ma. Erase it. Next is 43. 43. Good, Ma Karthikeyan. Good. 43. Good. Hashni, good. Tarnika, Hashni, Ivan. Pranita, good. 43. Mithila, good, Ma. 43 finish. Now next to that 43, don't erase 43. Don't erase. Next to that 43, if you have written 43 here, next to that you write 34. 34. Don't erase 43. Next to that you are going to write 34. Now tell me what is the difference 43 and 34. The same number you have 4 and 3. What is the difference? Can anyone tell me? Yes? Good morning, man. I take.
It's 3-4, ma'am.
Huh?
4-3-3-4.
4-3-3-4. What is the difference? Come on, tell me.
Answer చెప్పు
What is
రోహిత
the difference? I didn't ask anyone to find the greater number or smaller number. I told you to ask what. I told you to say what is the difference.
చెప్పు
Yes.
4-3 is 43.
For what? Oh, it is.
ఓకే
What? Don't know the difference? Can anyone tell the
4-3
difference?
is bigger number.
Yes, ma, Tarnika.
4-3 is bigger number.
I didn't ask you whether it is bigger number or smaller number, ma. I asked you the difference between them. What is difference?
4 is second.
Very good, Karthikeyan. In 43, 4 comes first, 3 comes second. Okay? But in 34, 3 comes first and 4 comes second. Okay? They are interchanging. Okay? So 43 means 4 and 3. 34 is 3 and 4. Okay? Now erase it. Erase it. Write number 16. Write number 16. Keep it as it is. Don't erase. Okay? 16. And the next number, next to it, you are going to write 61. 61. Good, ma, Devkrish. 16 and 61. Good. Now tell me the difference, Devkrish. What is the difference 16 and 61?
What is the difference between 16 and 61?
What is the difference 16 and 61? What difference you can see? Both the numbers you have 6 and 1, right? What is the difference in it? What?
If you don't know me, say
Find
don't
it.
know. I don't know, ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know? 16 starts with number. 16 starts with number.
Yeah.
What number will it start?
Number.
16 means what number it starts? It starts with
Mm.
number
Mm.
1. But 61, is it starting with number 1?
No.
No. So that is the difference. Okay. In 16, the first number is 1. And the second number is 6. But in 61, the first number is 6. And the second number is 1. They are interchanging. Okay. So that's the difference. Okay. Now find out which is the greater number in that. All of you have written 16 and 61, right? Now find out which is the greater number. Lakshana. Do the activity, Lakshana. Kavyani, are you doing the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 16 and 61, which is the greater number? Ashini, what you have done? Good, Ma Devkrish. Very good. Which is the greater number you have circled, and the number which is not circled is the smaller number. Okay? Very good, children. Now erase it. Erase it, and the next number is, shall I tell you? Ready? Next number is 67. 67. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Very good. And the next number which you are going to write next to it is 76. 76.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, Masafrika. Are you not feeling well, Satvika?
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday she got some wound in her leg, ma'am.
Okay.
It's bleeding, so not able to.
Okay, now?
Yeah, now she's little bit okay.
Okay. Take care, Satvika. Be careful while playing, okay?
So in silencer she got hit, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Right silencer.
Silence, room.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, children. Everyone has finished? 67 and 76. Now, what is the difference?
What is the
Can you tell the difference? 67 and 76. What is the difference?
7 plus 6.
Kavyani, are you answering?
Nanika.
Are you answering? What is the difference between 67 and 76?
difference?
என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க 67 and 76 ல 67 which is the first number?
67, which is the first number?
67 which is the first number?
Which is the first number?
Show it to ma'am.
Which is the first number, my
First number 6.
Tangi?
First
Ma'am,
number?
first number.
Okay, now 76 which is the first number?
Which is the first number?
7.
7 is the first number. Both are same?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
No.
No, both are not same, right? In 67, you start with number 6 and the next number is 7. But in 76, you start with number 7 and the next number is 6. Okay, did you all find out the greater number?
Good
Did you all find out the greater number? Very good.
ma'am.
Are you all clear how to find out the greater number? Is anyone feeling difficulty in finding the greater number?
Good morning, Bella ma'am.
Good morning, Madan.
Sorry, ma'am, we joined late today. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, it's okay. I saw your message. It's okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Darshika. Is anyone finding it difficult to find the greater number? Is there anyone? Everyone are clear with that? If you are having any doubt, please ask me. Dev Krish is not finding it easy.
No, Mama, no.
Okay, learned. Very good, ma Dev Krish. Anyone else who is finding very difficult to find the greater number? No, everyone knows it. Very good. Well done, children. Now, where is it? Now, write number 100. Write number 100. Good, Ashni, Tarnika. First, you people will write. 100. 100. Good.
I can't do.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Good, Mahat. Kavyani, did you look at the screen and write?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Now 100 is how many digit number? How many digit is that? Count and say.
1, 2, 3. 3 digits.
100 is the three-digit number. Three-digit number. 1, 0, 0. 3 digit, okay? But 99, write number 99. 99. Write number 99. 99, how many digit number?
2 digit number.
99 is a 2 digit number. 100 is a 3 digit number.
Ma'am,
I
2
ask,
digit number.
2 digit.
if I ask you
2
to find
digit
out,
number.
finished. Shall I say? Okay. When I ask you to find out which is the greater number between 100 and other two digit numbers, obviously, which is bigger? 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger? Which is bigger? Circle that 3 digit number. When you compare with the 2 digit and the 3 digit number, you will circle the 3 digit number because that is the biggest. Okay, that will be the greater number. In your assessment also, if you are getting number 100 and if you are asked to compare with other 2 digit numbers like 65, 64, 45 like that, and when you get 100 in that, you have to circle which number? Which number will you circle?
3.
Number 100 only you have to circle. Okay. So whenever you get 100 compared to any 2 digit number, you circle the 100 which is the 3 digit number. Okay. Okay. Today's Kids Anthem. Yesterday who said? Yesterday it was Ritvik, right? Rohita.
Kids Anthem.
Children, keep your slates aside. Come on, join your hands and close your eyes.
అబ్బాయి ఇంత హ్యాపీగా స్టార్ట్ చేయి కిచ్చి అంత మ్యామ్ మీరు హెల్ప్ చేయాలి మ్యామ్ మ్యామ్ వెనిలా మ్యామ్ యూ స్టార్టింగ్ మ్యామ్ యూ స్టార్టింగ్ ఓకే
Here, Kids Anthem. You are with me.
ఓకే లౌడ్లీ
You're the wind. Beneath
My
my
potential
light,
shift.
you define me.
Define me.
My potential inside.
My potential shift.
Today I pledge
Today my trust.
with all my might.
Told my mind.
I shall achieve you.
I shall keep you.
My potential inside.
My potential shift.
పొటెన్షియల్
Potential. Okay.
Potential.
I'm gonna kick the
Yeah, well done. Thank you so much, Shweta. Everyone, good morning. Oh, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Balance walk not with a book, but with a tumbler in your hand. Balance walk not with a book, but with a tumbler in your head. You have to tilt the tumbler on your head and you have to walk slowly. Tumbler should not fall down. Okay? What ma Darshika? Do the activity. Good morning, ma Vidyut. Take a tumbler, tilt it in your head, and you have to walk. Hashini, your braid is holding the tumbler. It will not fall down. I know that. Slowly. Walk slowly, children. Don't catch it. Don't hold it. Be careful and walk. Walk slowly. Have to have control in your walking. Very good, Matarnika. Good. Be careful. Good. Satvika.
Rohita ma'am.
Rohita. Slowly. Focus. Good, Rohita. Very good. Okay, next is Karthikeyan.
Ma'am.
One by one. Okay. Vidyut. Very good, Vidyut. Devkresh. Darshika. Unmute yourself and walk. Oh my God. Drop it down. Tanvin, walk. Very good, Devkresh.
Reality, ma'am.
Fell down. Very noisy, right? That's what you should not drop it down. That is the activity. If you drop it, it will be very noisy. Very good, Ashmi, you can sit. Devkrish can sit. Vidyu, Dikshan, very good. Kavyani, walk. Cheating, Kavyani, standing in one place. Walk. When you walk only, you know. Karthikeyan, good. Walk, Karthikeyan. Good, Dikshan. Very nice. Darshika should walk. Pranita, good. Good, everyone, very good. Well done. Okay, keep the tumbler down. Keep the tumblers down. Okay, very good. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. Very well done. Okay, are you all ready for the attendance? Darshika,
Yes, ma'am.
Devkresh,
Yes, ma'am.
Danvin,
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan, Dikshan, Farnaz, Hashini, Janavi, Karthikeyan,
Yes, ma'am.
Kavyani,
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik, Nukshita, Pranita, okay, marking you, Pranita. Rohita,
Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You should be alert, children. When I'm calling you, if you are not answering, I'm going to mark you as absentee. Nitila,
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, Tarnika,
Here I am, ma'am.
Tilakar, Vishank, Vidyut, Vivan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Vivan,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dedi, Lakshana,
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, children. And the next is rhymes. Okay.
Ashini.
8 planets round the sun. Yesterday, who all didn't sing the rhyme? Who want to sing?
Planet.
Yesterday, who was didn't sing the rhyme, today you are going to sing. Okay, yesterday I think Vivan, Rohit, Tarnika, you all sang. Harshini, sorry. Harshini, you didn't sing yesterday, right? Danvin also you didn't sing yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Okay, today Danvin, Harshini, and then Karthikeyan.
Nashika,
You did sing yesterday? Danvin,
yes, ma'am.
Danvin.
Done.
Hey, planet around the sun. Let me find them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter, big size. Saturn, computing tonight. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just light.
Well done. Okay, very good, very good. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan.
8 planets around the sun. They'll be called the one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Closest so far.
Other closest to the sun.
Jupiter is big in size. It's a ring in size.
Saturn comes with rings in line.
Venus, Neptune, far
But just in line.
line.
Children, it's very easy to learn read the rhyme also, children. All the words I've already taught you, which is the name of the planets or all of them I've already taught you. And then all the words, small words given there is also very easy. You can look at the book and you yourself can read that rhyme. Okay, it's very easy only. If you want to read that rhyme, you can read it also. All the words I've taught you. Okay, 8 planets around the sun. Let, L-E-T, let, me, M-E, me. All these words I've taught you, right? So when you have time, you can take that rhyme and you can read it out, okay? Next is, well, Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now only he's learning, ma'am.
Now only learning, okay. Darshika. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, planets around the sun. Let's be gone by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Earth and Mars
Are the closest to the sun.
are the closest to the sun.
Jupiter
Jupiter is big and size. Saturn comes in line. Uranus, Neptune are so far, just in line.
Very good, well done. Okay, next, who has to sing the rhyme? Next, Ritvik.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Janavi. Ritvik, come on.
Look at the planets on the sun. Then we count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are closest to the sun. Jupiter is inside. Saturn comes in the line.
Are so far, but just in line. Very good, okay. Now, come on, again take your slate. Now we are going to write number names. Okay? Take your slate, take your chalk piece. Vivan, close your book. Take a slate and chalk piece. Okay, ready? Number names. I already told you, right? One more time we'll be conducting the test. So first you are going to write a number name and you are going to erase it and next the other. Okay? I'm going to find out whether you are writing it correctly or not. Your parents are not going to correct you. Okay? Ready? Shall we start? Ritvik? Ritvik, sit down and write. Number name of 1. Number name of 1. Don't show it, children. Write and keep it with you. When I ask you to show, at that time you show it. In between, don't show your slate to anyone. Okay, write it and keep it with you. Don't show it. Number name 1. Those who don't have the slate, you can write in your rough notebook. Finish. Number name for 1. Come on now, all of you lift your slate and show it to me. All of you at a time. Let me check. Good. Rohita, Ritvik, Nin, Dikshan, Parnath, Naitik, Mithila, Kavyani. Vivan, what type of E is that? Okay. Next is this is Janavi, good. Janavi, that much big you'll write, huh? Okay, very good, children. Well done. Okay, now erase it. Erase it. Very good, Madarshika, good. Erase it. Now we are going to write number 3. 3. Did I tell you to write number 2, Lakshana? Number 3. Number name of 3.
Number 3 writing,
Number name for 3. I didn't ask you to write number name for 2. This is dictation. I'll give you any numbers. 3. 3. It starts with the digraph th. 3. Parents, please don't help them. Let them write. Three.
Finish, ma'am.
Wait. Let others finish, ma. Wait. I told you not to show Karthikeyan. 3. Write in small letters. Nobody should write capital letters. 3. Kavyani, now only I said don't show your slate. Keep it with you. When I ask you, you can show it to me. Ready? Yes? Finish? Okay, now come on, show me your slate, everyone. And the spelling for 3 is T-H-R-E-E. 3. Janavi, you have to work on your handwriting, Janavi. T-H-R-E-E. 3. R, you should not write like that. It looks like T. R. If you get a gap in between, also it's right. 3. Very good, children. Well done. Well done. Next number is 2. Number name for 2. Yeah, good ma, Lakshana. 2. Two, very easy. 2. Very good ma, Santrika, Jason, Nikhila. Good. Hashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mahashini. 2, you have to write, put a dash and then number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone are writing in that way only, okay? Follow the same thing and whenever you write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the next number name is 5. 5. 5.
Ma'am.
5. Good ma. Hashni, good. Hashni, Danvin.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Very good ma. Pranita, good. Nitila, good. Kavyani, good. Karthikeyan, good. Farnaz, very good Farnaz. Darshika, what did you write, Darshika? Janvi, what did you write? Naitik?
Ma'am.
Yeah, good ma. Ritvik, good. Rohita, good. Darshika. Correct, Darshika's mom, what she has written?
3 she has written.
FIVE 5. Very good. Very good, children. Okay, well done. Okay, keep your slates down. Keep your slates down and take your math notebook. We have already written number name from 1 to 10. Right? Now I want Tarnika to take that page and read all those number names. Tarnika.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Read all those number names, ma.
ONE1,
Hmm.
TW2,
Hmm.
THRE3,
Hmm.
FOUR4,
Hmm.
FIVE5,
Hmm.
SIX6,
Hmm.
EVEN7,
Hmm.
EIGHT8,
Hmm.
NINE9,
Hmm.
EEN10.
EE and 10. Yesterday what we wrote?
11.
Yesterday we wrote 11. ELEVEN 11. And today we are going to write the number name 12. Okay? All of you take your worksheet 144 empty. 144 empty. Start writing your number name. Before that, what you should write? So that what you should write? Yeah, today's date. Today's date is 2/3/23 2 dash 2121. Write today's date 2/3/23 dash 2 dash 2121. Start writing the number name TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12.
Page number, ma'am.
144 empty.
After 11 it will come, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 144 empty. Yesterday we did number name 11.
Page is missing, ma'am. Only that page.
Check with another page. It will be there only. 12 will definitely be there. It's next to those. ERP page, 144 ERP page will be having. After that it will be there. It's not there, huh? Hundred and 44, you have many worksheets in that. ERP, CP, MP and all.
After 11, 13 is there, ma'am.
Is it? One minute, please. I'll check. 13. 13 is worksheet number 146, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
144. Check with 144. 144 totally you have how many worksheets? Can you please tell me, Karthikeyan's mom?
3 pages, ma'am. 3.
Really, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, maybe it's a printing mistake. You can carry on writing in his max notebook itself. I'll check and let you know.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Is anyone facing the same issue? Everyone is having the worksheet? Oh. After writing the 12, number name 12, your next worksheet will be 144 ERP. Check whether you have this worksheet ERP, Karthikeyan's mom.
No, ma'am.
No, this two you don't have?
Yes, ma'am. I think 144 is missing, ma'am. 3 page, only 3 pages. Yes, ma'am. Only 3 pages are there, ma'am. 144 CRT is this one.
5 worksheets. The 2 worksheets are missing for you, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Only these 3 is there.
Finished, children. Those are finished. Number name 12 can take this worksheet. I'll send you the soft copy, Karthikeyan's mom. You can take printout of it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, couldn't find this page, ma'am.
It will be, that's a different exercise actually. What they have downloaded is different, but the page what you have here is something different also. Like this you don't have.
Yes, ma'am, found, ma'am. Thank you.
It's there.
It's there, ma'am, like this one, yeah.
Yeah, it will be there, but the exercise is little bit different. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Parents, please check and tell me whether this worksheet is with everyone. Or else those who are not having it, please let me know. I'll send the soft copy.
Everybody having, ma'am.
We don't have.
Rohita, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done having, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Is
Ma'am,
anyone
page-
there who is not
page
having
number.
the worksheet except Karthikeyan?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Page number.
144 ERP. Some of you will have only this, and few of you will have words given below. Red, rings, blue, smallest, biggest, and all you will be having. But some of the worksheet, these words will be missing.
Yeah.
You are going to take and write it here, so no issues. I'll tell you what to write.
Yes, ma'am. We have. Naitik have.
Yeah, because it is the sheet which is uploaded is different. Here I too don't have that, but in the workbook I have all those words. So those who have the words, you utilize it. Others, you look at the screen and you write. Write today's name, children. Write today's date. First, can you identify the planets here, children? Okay. First, what are all the planets we have here? Look at the screen, everyone. Then we can do the worksheet, okay? First, what are the planets we have here? We have 8 planets totally, right? And so first, where is Mercury? Which is Mercury? Mercury is the
31.
first one and it is the smallest planet. Okay. See here, this is Mercury and this is the smallest planet. Okay, it is closest to the sun. It is the first planet and it is also very small. And then next one is Venus. This is Venus. Mercury, Venus. And what planet is this?
Oh,
Very good. Earth is the third planet, Earth. And this is Mars, which is called as the red planet. You can see it is in color red, right? Mars. Mars is the red planet. We call Mars as the red planet. Okay. And then next one, what planet is this?
Jupiter.
How Jupiter will be? Jupiter will be very big. Okay. So it is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. And then next one is Saturn. Saturn, what is the specialty of Saturn? Okay. And then next is Uranus. And the last one is Neptune. What do we call Neptune? Planet. We call Neptune as the blue planet. The same way how we recognized all the planet, no? The same thing we are going to write here. So the first one is Mercury. Okay, it starts with letter M. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. So you are going to write smallest. S M A L L E S T. Smallest. S M A L L E S T. Smallest. If you have the words given in your book, you can look at it and write. Okay. First, we have written the smallest planet. Next, we are going to write the biggest planet. Which is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Where is Jupiter? Where is Jupiter? Which one is Jupiter? Come on, tell me this one. This one is Jupiter? Yes or no? Which one?
Simon.
Okay, which letter it starts with Jupiter?
Yeah.
Very good. Jupiter starts with letter J. So here we write Jupiter. Here we are going to write biggest.
So, biggest இல்ல man B போட்ட
And
போறல டைம் போடு டக் 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 டக்னு
ஏய் ஏய் ரங்கி
ஏய் இது பிக் பிக் oxygen is 40
children, mute yourself. Pranita.
ஓடி அப்பால
குட் பண்ணு
Biggest. B-I-G. Big. G-E-S-T. Guest. Biggest. Okay, now next one. What planet is this? S-A-T-U-R-N. What planet is this? S-A-T-U-R-N. Which planet starts with S? Yes? Saturn. Yes, Saturn. What is the identity for Saturn? Saturn comes with rings. So we are going to write rings here. R-I-N-G-S. Rings. Okay. And now, next is the Mars. What did I tell you about Mars? Mars is the red planet. Very good. Mars is the red planet. So we are going to write red. And finally, we have Neptune. What did I tell you for Neptune?
Neptune blue planet.
Very good, Madam. Neptune is the blue planet. So we are going to write blue. B L U E. Blue. Follow the lines and write, children. Blue planet. Ready? Finish, everyone? Shall I stop sharing? You want to look at it and write? Finish, everyone. Shall I stop sharing?
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone, huh? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, children. Now take your English notebook. And the exercise what we are going to do is, like yesterday, rearrange the words. Write today's date. Rearrange the words. The same heading. Please write it and give it to them, parents. Rearrange the words to make a sentence, okay? Write today's date. First, let me know it from you, parents. How many of them are not able to rearrange it? Yesterday, as far as I saw, I saw Dev Krish, Hashini, then Vivan, Naitek, Danvin, Rohita, Tarnika. They were all able to do. But others, I just want to know from you, parents. Are they able to rearrange the words which I give them?
Parnas can read, ma'am.
Can do, okay, good. Dikshan?
Still also doing, ma'am.
Doing, okay, good. What about Pranita? What about Ritvik?
It's doing, ma'am.
Yeah, Ritvik doing, okay, good. Okay, children, ready? Shall we start? Right, number 1. Number 1. Try to write near the margin. Start it near the margin. Children, first we are going to write the question. Okay?
Yeah.
sir. One licky. One. again rearrange करना ஒரே நிமிஷம் தான் cat is a this அதெல்லாம் கோணமா இல்ல காய் வேர்டுமா இல்ல அதோ cat is a this கரெக்ட்டான வேர்ட் யா நீனா this
okay,
is
we'll go according to attendance order, children. Today 3 sentences. First 3 children from the attendance. Devdev, Darshika and Danvin. Okay? Darshika, find out the sentence correctly and tell me the answer. Yesterday itself I gave you a hint how to find out the first word. If you remember, tell it. Yes, ma Devkresh?
Yes.
This, very good. Okay, Devkresh, say the answer. This. First, you are going to write this. Very good. What will be the next word? This. Very good. Is next one will be very good. Are you asking your mama to say the answer? This is a
No, I'm not helping, ma'am.
okay. This is a final one is cat. C-A-T, cat. And finally, what we have to keep here?
Finally, என்ன வரணும்?
Finally, how the sentence will end?
கேட்மா அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபைனலா ஒரு வரணும்னு
Sentence how
சொன்னாங்க.
it end? Sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Very good. Well done. Well done, Dev Krish. Well done. Okay, next is Dhanvin. Darshika, I'm keeping on calling you. No answers. Next, Dhanvin is going to do it. Dhanvin.
Ma'am.
Okay, be ready. Okay, finish, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone finished, huh? Then don't tell me that I erased quickly. Finished? Hashini ma, finish?
Ma'am, wait for some time, ma'am.
Okay. When you communicate in English, you'll very well easily find out what is the difference in these sentences. Okay? So try to communicate at home also, children. Then this activity is going to be very easy for you. Shall we move on to the next sentence? Janvi's mom, finish her?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, not an issue, ma'am. We can change, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone finished, right? Now number 2. Okay. Dhanvin.
It is a ball.
First one, what will be the first one?
IT.
Very good. IT, it. Next word.
IS.
Well done. Next one. It is.
It is
And the final one is
going ball.
all ball.
All ball.
What you have to keep here?
என்ன வைக்கணும் கடைசியா? He doesn't know the name. Full stop.
Full stop. Okay? Well done. Well done. Thank you so much, Dhanvin. Well done.
சரி, okay, பரவாயில்ல.
Okay, next sentence is going to be diction. Be ready, diction. Finished, everyone?
Sorry, ma'am.
Very good, ma.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. He forgot the full stop name, so he's saying
sorry, ma. Next sentence, I'm going to erase it, children. Ready? Children, if you are not finished, please say that you want me to keep it. Otherwise, when I erase it, don't blame me. Okay, children? Come on. Finished, everyone? Shall I erase it? Very good. Vivan? Vivan?
Ma'am.
Finish, everyone? Okay, Vivan. Very good. Okay, now the third sentence is by Dikshan. Number 3. What are the words you have here, Dikshan? R-A-T, rat. I-S is. F-A-T, fat. T-H-E, the. What will be the first word? The. Very good. The. Rat. Very good. Rat. The rat.
Is.
Who is teaching you? Mama va? See? Final one. No, don't nod your head. I heard your mama saying is fat. I'm going to punish your mama, see. Fat, and in the end you are going to keep full stop. The rat is fat. Kavi and Annie.
Fat.
The rat is fat. Finish? The spacing also you look into it, children. The, after the I've given some space. And then after rat also I've given some space. After is. So see to the spacing also. Will you write like this, children? Is this right? Will you write in this way? Or will you write in this way? Which is the correct way to write? First one or the second one?
I am studying, Ma.
Huh? Which is correct, ma? Which way are you all writing? Are you all writing in this way? Are you all writing in this way? No, right? Everyone should write in this way. Have to give space and write. Okay? Then only it will look very beautiful when you are writing. Okay? When you go to your higher standards also, your teacher is going to appreciate you for your handwriting. Okay? So, equal spacing is very important. Okay. Fourth one is going to be by Parnas. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the first one, ma? Hi, found out, ah? Hi, what will be the second word?
Like.
Well done. L-I-K-E, like.
Dogs.
Dogs. D-O-G-S. And then? And then?
Okay, ma'am.
That's it, ah?
She's saying
Okay, why you are approving my my answer? Okay, what I left here?
என்ன லெஃப்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க இங்க?
என்ன விட்டுட்ட மேம்? I forgot one
She
thing.
said-
What I forgot? Sentence full completed What I should keep?
She don't know, ma'am. She
Full
forgot, I think
stop.
so.
When you keep the full stop only, the sentence will end. Otherwise, it will be continuing. Okay. Full stop. A sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Okay. Okay. Fifth one. Finish, children, everyone. Time up, children. Write fast. Fifth one is going to be by Hashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Why Hashini so low voice?
நான் சேட்டை பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காமா.
அதுக்கு அடிச்சிட்டீங்களா நீங்க?
ஆனா அடிக்கவே இல்ல மேம். சொல்லதான் செஞ்ச ஆளுக்கு அழுகுறா.
அடிக்கலாம் கூடாது நீங்க ஹாஷினி. Okay. Come on Hashini.
சொல்லு.
Find out.
He had that.
This.
Huh?
This.
Okay. This. Second one.
Yes is.
Very good. Is is. Third one.
My.
Very good. My my. This is my
Hat.
Very good. Hat. Hat. Well done, Hashni. Good. Full stop. This is my hat. Copy it down. This is my hat. Finish. This is my hat. Vidyut's mom, can you present the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check whether you are able to present.
Can I do it now, ma'am?
Yeah, do it. I'll stop sharing. Finish everyone all the 5 sentences. Let me see. Those are finished. Tarnika. Yeah, very good, Tarnika. Well done. Good. One by one, I need to see. Hashini, Parnaz, Rityut, sorry, Vivan, Ritvik, show me your notebook. Whose is this? The rat and all you have written like we. Jahnavi, Jahnavi, what is this? Jahnavi ma, try to write in the line, okay? Follow the line, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
No, it will come very beautifully, okay? Sacred, good ma. Ritvik, very nice handwriting, Ritvik. Good. Parnas, good. Nikila, very good, Nikila.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, Dhanvin. Good. Very beautiful handwriting. Dhanvin, Dev, Krish, Nitila, Ritvik, Tarnika. Beautiful handwriting. Varna also. Rohita, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. She wrote, ma'am.
Okay. Pranita, good Pranita. But you have to little bit follow your line, Pranita. It is out of line. Okay? So write slowly and follow the line and write. But what you have written is correct only. Okay? Good girl.
Yes, ma'am.
When are you going to say the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Rohita, ma'am.
Yes, good, ma, Rohita. Very good.
Ma'am, Rohita, ma'am.
Rohita, I asked you, no? For that.
Ma'am, can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yeah, you only stopped sharing now. Why? I was able to see your screen. Why did you stop sharing?
சொல்லி பாரு தாப்பா பார்க்காம சொல்லுது காதுல மட்டும் வாங்கி
Again, you try to present the screen.
Ma'am, can you see my screen, ma'am?
No. You have to start the screen.
1 minute, ma'am.
Click on present now. Click the screen and then you get. Then only we can see your screen. Yeah, good, ma, Rohita. Very good. Very good, Rohita. Rohita. Now when you present it correctly only, no? Then why did you stop sharing?
One minute, ma'am. I'm trying again. Ma'am, can you see now?
Yeah. Yeah, now we can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Sam.
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, Sam. Let's enjoy the story. So, no, cat salad and a monkey. One, cat, water, cat salad, one fried egg, lost, let's cat. Cat. 5 rupees cat. 10 rupees cat. After 2 days, Winnie, monkey, and the tree. The monkey down to pick up and throw them. Then they climbed up. You got the last. He was shocked. You see it? After search for a cat. And found the monkey marrying them. He found that the monkeys are imitating him. So he brought his cat down. And the monkey also so the cat seller collected all the cats and went away happily. Moral. Listen.
Very good. Well done, Mavidya. Wisdom is better.
Better than what? Thank you.
Well done. Very good, Vidya. Well done. Capsular story. I like the capsular story very much. It was narrated well. Thank you so much, Vidyut. Okay, children. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Ma'am, 1 minute. You say to Vivan, ma'am, he is not ready to tell his attendance. He is crying every day.